And it's time now for our daily Need to Know feature, where all your questions regarding money matters are answered by our team of experts. Tonight's question came by email from Tando, who said, "I've been following up on the Curo story and would like to know what sort of thing I should look out for before investing my money into a company." Bernard Holtz, director at Werksmans Attorneys, answered this for us.
Unless you are really on the big scale where you're doing due diligences, etc., people read up on companies. They read they read financial mails. They look at how they're performing on the stock exchange. The only problem is they don't really know what's going on in a particular company. And so a prudent investor who's using their own hard-earned money, logic dictates that before you give your money to somebody, you should really know who you're giving it to. What operations are they involved in? What controls do they have in place to safeguard your investment? Unfortunately, that's a bit of utopia, but that's really the prudent advice that should be given.
Let's have a look at the markets now. Starting in the US, where stocks fluctuated after the biggest two-day rally in almost a month as an expansion in the services industries and a rise in Walt Disney offset declines in pharmaceutical and energy companies. Walt Disney rallied as much as 8.3% to an all-time high after quarterly results beat analysts' expectations. Traders say the ups and downs on the market point to the return of volatility. In Europe, markets were up for the third straight day as an increase in healthcare shares and Greek companies outweighed a drop in energy producers. The main factors driving market sentiment in Europe are Greece, the oil market, and the fourth quarter reports from companies. Here at home, the market ended in the red as profit-taking took hold. Investors cashed in on shares like Woolworths and Mr. Price, which hit all-time highs recently. Looking at commodities, oil prices remain firm, prompting further speculation that the market has bottomed out. Meanwhile, gold is steady but has failed to rebound after falling more than 1% in the previous session, as Greece's plan to end a standoff with creditors lifted the appetite for risky assets such as equities. And on the currency market, the rand remaining firm, benefiting from increased interest in high-yielding assets after interest rate cuts by some central banks, the latest being Australia's Reserve Bank. And that's it for today's edition of eNCA Moneyline. You can get in touch with the team via email on moneyline@enca.com or tweet us using the handle @eNCA News with the hashtag eNCA Moneyline. Good night.